Now let's get a check of our forecast here, and a crisp morning so far right now, Matt.
It is. Not raining right now, though,
No.
so that's the good
Goodness.
news.
And I don't think we have any rain really for the week ahead during the work week. It's as we approach the weekend, we may have to deal with, again, the effects of Matthew. But let's start off with a couple of things. First of all, sunshine, dry weather for much of the week ahead. We'll have some cool mornings. You may want the light jacket or even the sweatshirt as you head out to work or school. Again, all eyes really on Hurricane Matthew, because for us in Central Virginia, there's no definitive solution, track, or path past Thursday. Some of our weather models bring it into the Outer Banks, which would be similar to a track of Irene for us. Others keep it off the coast and away from us, which would mean maybe at worst a few showers. So not really a clear, concise forecast toward the end of the week. Here's what we have the latest on. I'm waiting for the new update. Should be in shortly. Still as of 2 o'clock, winds 130 miles per hour, moving to the north at 5. Let's put the track on for you. And again, throughout today, it continues to move northward. It does weaken somewhat, and by late tonight, early tomorrow morning, and throughout the day on Tuesday, it passes through the western side of Haiti and then eastern Cuba, and then heads northward through the Bahama chain, and then begins to make a turn north and maybe northeastward. But the question is, what happens after Friday morning, Friday afternoon? Does it then slide into a position that would bring it, let's say, across the Outer Banks, which would be, again, similar to Irene? Or does it hook out to sea south of the Outer Banks, which would be a complete miss for us? So there's a lot of differences of opinion in the weather world on how it's going to be handled. All right, we have some light patchy fog in Louisa and Bumpus with a half-mile visibility this morning, and also half-mile visibility for to Cambridge to Crewe, a mile and a half in areas like Burkeville. So again, it is a foggy morning for some of you. It's kind of patchy fog. We have a few thin clouds that are going to give way. Mostly sunny skies expected today. Your temperatures, 62 in Lakeside right now. We're dealing with 60 in Short Pump, 62 Glen Allen. Not bad out toward Winterpark. And this is why we talk about maybe a little cool. Maybe you want that light jacket or that sweatshirt with temperatures in the low 60s and probably upper 50s in the next hour or so. Partly sunny today with a high of 79. A really decent looking day. 67 as you head out to work or school. We'll be in the mid 70s at the lunch hour. Maybe you want to take lunch outside. It'll be a pleasant afternoon with highs in the upper 70s. Some of you could top out near 80. We're quiet tomorrow. We're looking good on Wednesday. Thursday, not bad. Friday, I'm going to bring clouds in because we're watching Matthew for the weekend. Will it hit us? Will it miss us? These are the big questions. When you see news happening in your neighborhood, why